Good evening, sir. I am Brigadier Ashwini Kumar. I have one short question, sir. Taking you back to the LAC issue which you dwelt on, sir. Sir, as you are aware, that China is very keen to alter the status quo on the LAC. That is why they push from finger 8 to finger 4. Now, any country that tries to change the status quo, definitely it has to be labeled as an aggressor. Why did we give a clean chit to them and say that not an inch of Indian territory has been given away? Point number one, sir. The point number two that I wish to make is that most of the organizations that India is part of with China, like the SCO, BRICS, and AIDB, India is not benefiting really much in a big way. And you see across the geopolitics, whether it's permanent membership or it is, naming Masood Azhar as a terrorist, or even the nuclear supplies group, it is one country which is blocking our way, that is China. Don't you think that decoupling from these organizations would actually benefit us, sir? Thank you, sir.
Let me give you my frank opinion. I don't think decoupling is going to bring us major advantages. And the reason is very simple. You can, in these forums, and I have attended many of these forums at various places that they were held, I found that it is easy to isolate a country despite its size, despite its so-called permanent membership, etc., when you bring in issues which rest of the world agrees with you. And I don't think we have given them a clean chit. Everywhere we are saying that China is expansionist. We don't want that it has intruded into our area because it doesn't get us any further advantages. So, China is not liking this term that has been put against them, and it is actually an issue that they are trying to tell everybody, whatever reports we are getting from the UN, that they are actually, the moment a country goes into explanation mode, I think it serves our purpose, because they have to explain why they are not expansionists, while we keep saying that they are expansionists. So I think diplomatically we are ensuring that what we want gets conveyed very rightly for various reasons. And reasons are also in terms of the type of linkages that China has created with some of the countries.
And he asked another question, that the other one, they asked two questions. What was the first question?
Sir, the first question was the altering of the LAC by China. That sir has answered. The second was decoupling. That too he has answered.
Oh, okay.
If I have the permission to pose one more query, sir.
Sir, if there is still scarcity of time, can you just, he is available after the program also. You can.
Thank you very much. That's all.
So we'll take last question from there. Gentleman there has been raising his hand for a long time. Somebody can hand over the mic to him. So we'll take that last question. And I must say General V.K. Singh has been very, very candid in his remarks.
May I?
Yes.
First of all, General Singh, thank you very much for your insights and the candid nature of the discussion that we had. And I'll start with an apology. This question might seem a little provocative. It's not politically provocative, but a little provocative otherwise. What I want to know from you, having led one of the largest armies in the world and now being in government, why is India so diffident about projecting its own power? Why are we always in a reactionary mode, and why don't we take the battle forward, not just on the war front, but on every other front? Thank you.
If you can just identify yourself, I think it's Anindo.
Sorry, my name is Anindo Chatterjee. Thank you.
See, there are a lot of things that are seen as we trying to justify. Having seen what is inside, a lot of times these games are played for certain reasons. And there's always a logic behind it, because there are various steps to every game. So what may appear to you initially may not be what it actually is. And I'll leave it at that, because if I go into explanation, there are too many things which I don't want to talk about.
So we had a very, very candid session with General VK Singh, and he spoke on a variety of topics connected with our today's discussion. But then I had something very major to look forward to. Two very major things. One is there is no war with China. That's a major thing. And secondly, he hinted that something is going to happen in near future. So I request, and of course in the Pakistan context, and that was something which is music to a lot of people's ears all over the country, because China and Pakistan are two very thorny issues at the moment, as far as we are concerned, as far as the people of India are concerned. Now I request Mr. Anil Mukherjee, the Chief Managing Member of the Tollygunge Club. Of course, before I personally thank General VK Singh for being with us.
সমস্ত খবরের তৎক্ষণাৎ আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনটি ক্লিক করে বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করুন।
আরও খবরের আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি আর বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করুন নোটিফিকেশনস পেতে।